everyone, Professor Sifi-WiFi back with some stick fight with my good old friend Jay. Yep.
Hi.
We did this one time, however, Jay's audio did not record on it, so we had to get rid of it. And like I was being fair with them, because you know, YouTube bros gotta stick together, right, Jay? Alright, he's doing this thing. So anyway, we're playing this again, and probably like last time, I'm going to destroy Jay in all of this.
How dare you?
I will do it. And
no.
We're about to cut into the fight scene. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom!
Oh
yeah, also I have the map generation. Oh
yeah. Oh yeah.
Nope.
How dare you?
Oh. Yes.
Died. Yeah. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, I air kicked you. That was awesome. Also, I have the map set to randomize.
How dare you? No. Haha.
Oh.
You got wrecked.
Riggedy wrecked.
Get wrecked.
You son of a... You're actually doing pretty good.
I like sword. Ah! Run. Ah! Yes!
Glitched. I saw that.
I know I did.
Back.
No.
Also,
No. Get in the hole! Get in the hole! Get in the hole! We can fight after. Just get in a hole. That went through your head.
Hey, then.
Haha. Wait, what?
RPG.
Hiya! Yeah. Hiya!
What the what? How'd you hit me? Oh.
That was an accident.
Sure it was. Again, I wouldn't really
I fell.
stupidity.
Is this the one that we like?
Wait.
One that we like?
Yes. Wait, no fighting. Hold it.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes!
We love. You know what we should do in the future? Like, if you get a better PC or something
I am.
to handle, we should play Gmod and do death runs.
Yes, because that would be fun.
Yes. Hey, look, I'm just chilling.
Snake gun.
Aiden! You know the rules.
Snakes are behind us.
What about that one? Huh?
I know, right?
Wait, what? We did this. Wait, oh, we did this map before. We just
It's randomized.
Oh, right. Let there be an RPG again, please. Oh,
Literally goes through your head.
Get up, Aiden. Face me. Wait. Let's wait to see if it comes back. Let's wait to see if it comes back. Is it gonna come back?
I don't know. Are you okay?
You son of a... I was waiting to see... What?
It's the same exact...
No.
Oh god,
No
okay.
No hole. No, gosh darn you.
Get in the hole.
Oh, Flammenwerfer. Flammenwerfer.
Flopping flavor? No.
Burn.
Burn,
did
baby,
this.
burn. You're the one who put it on randomize.
I know. I'm just surprised.
Yeah. Ow.
Oh, you see that uppercut?
I got hurt.
Duck.
I'll be over. Ah!
Oh. Wait.
Help. Help. Help.
Alright.
Save me. The snake actually saved me.
Yes.
Ah! Present. Spear. Spear prevails. Oh.
Yes. Spear versus AK-47.
Who's gonna win? AK-47. No. Yeah. Ah! Ow.
Eat it. Oh, super lasers. Who will
Stop.
survive?
I will.
Hi, how you doing?
This was a bad idea.
Oh, hey, look, that laser gun.
Dorito gun. Me at the end of the world.
What? There
Ow.
we go. You survived the
Ow!
first, you survived the first layer, but died from the...
I always survive the first one, never the second one. Snake on snake.
Oh!
Haha!
Wait, what's
Okay,
this
let's
one?
bring it to 50.
Why you say that?
Then no, I'm going to lose. What is that gun? I've never seen that gun.
That's a snake grenade launcher.
You're a snake grenade.
No!
Haha.
The snakes pushed
The snakes.
me. That,
The snakes.
The snake. The snacks. Are you
What?
going for it?
Oh, I didn't even see that.
For it?
Oh, I didn't even see that. I tried.
That's good.
Yeah. No, you can't get rid of me that easily.
Oh, why? I was hoping you'd fly off. Oh, well.
You can't get rid of me that easily.
You honestly jumped pretty good at him.
Ready.
Yes!
Ow.
Ground pound.
I got body slammed.
Yes, you... What?
I got body slammed.
Jesus
I tried.
Oh.
No, my worst enemy.
Ah.
Eh. Ah.
You died the same way! Oh god, that was amazing. Oh!
Yeah.
That was close, Aiden.
Oh.
I died first. Look at that split, man. You're squatting.
Oh no. Duck undercover. Oh no, you got spear. I'm dying.
Yes! I have claimed my victory. Last time we played this, Aiden speared me, or Jay. No! That doesn't count. You attacked me when I was talking.
That's your own fault. I can make this.
I'd like to see you try.
I will. No, let me go. Let me go.
Hands are sweaty. Arms weak, palms heavy.
Mine
palms
aren't.
Spaghetti.
Well,
Look at my karate stance.
I'm gonna get it this time.
There's an actual nope. There's actually an achievement for getting that.
I never get that thing ever.
I got a head start.
But there's a better gun up there.
Nope.
Bah.
I died. I jumped too far.
It's your own damn fault.
So wait, 50 wins or 30 still?
50, because you know I'm going to lose.
I'm just like laying in you.
Hiya! Hiya! Hiya!
What? Oh, you're getting
You got
good,
double
Aiden.
hiya.
You're getting good at it. Alright, can we oh. Oh, okay, there's another hole.
My crotch wouldn't let me in.
Alright, can we please wait to see if it comes back?
It's not coming back.
How do you know? He'll come back. He just went to go buy some milk.
Ow. That one kinda hurt.
Reference, like that's a good reference to like how You don't know.
How your father left you?
No, my father didn't leave. He just. Shut up.
You just shut up.
Shut up. You don't know what I've been through. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Nice.
The snakes. Ice gun.
Nice to meet you.
No, it's ice to meet you. You have slower reaction speed. Huh.
Is that what the gun does?
Yes. Hiya! 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 Wah! Hiya!
Close, Aiden.
Not again.
Hey, slower reaction speed. Oh, yay, bouncy.
Bouncy, bouncy. You can't find me. Ow.
I just kicked you.
How dare you?
How dare you? Also, look at that two-headed snowman. Oh, no.
Oh god, you got a sniper.
Snipered. And
Sniper, no sniping.
I didn't Hey, you can't say that's copyright. I also hate Nora.
Oh? It's not copyright because I said sniper, no sniping. No in the show it says swiping.
No! Also, 5 more wins and I win. You
Get oofed.
You're getting bet. Alright. Try to make this jump now.
I can make it.
You were close.
Not close enough.
You know what? You know what they should do in this stick fight game? They should update it with like not just weapons, but like physical enhancements, like boxing gloves or something. Like,
The last update they added like bosses or something.
No, that was a while ago.
I don't even know what the last update was.
I don't know either. I sometimes confuse myself for you.
Yes. Ow.
2 more wins.
Riggedy riggedy wrecked. Just die.
No.
Oh.
This is it. The final battle royale.
No snakes.
Oh!
That's your own fault.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I'll take that crown from you.
No, my crown.
Oh, get sticky. Get sticky. Get sticky.
You gun.
You got sticky.
You got wrecked. Yeah. Yeah. Ha ha ha. What?
Yes! 50 wins! Alright, this
That's how I feel.
Alright. Alright, well that was, so what, is this the end of the video now?
I already stopped my recording.
Alright. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this. Make sure you check out my Frey Jamern on his
Frey.
channel. Huh?
Frey. You said Frey.
No, I said Jamern.
You said Frey.
Anyway, check him out in the description. He's my friend and he just started YouTube. So, yeah, go check him out. And tell me in the comments if there's any games you want me to play or any things you want me to change. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope your minds were blown with the power of science. And I will see you in the next video.